Okay, back in the summer, I made that sweet corn, and I canned that sweet corn, and it turned it funky colors, and we were all like, oh, I don't know. So, we've eaten it in vegetable soup, not noticing, but tonight, we're fixing to eat it with just taters and stuff. So, I'll let you know here in a bit what it actually tastes like, or if it's just truly horrible. So, wish me luck. I'll let you know. Okay. Low on it, it's hot, it's steaming. Yeah.
Good.
It's good?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Well, that's an opinion of an 8-year-old, so I'll tell you mine in a few. Okay, so my turn. Pick it with some taters. Yeah, it's not bad. It's sweet, and you can definitely tell it's sweet corn. Yeah, it's not bad. It's actually even a little bit crunchy still, like it would be on the cob. So, don't let the looks fool you. We shouldn't all eat with our eyes. But yeah, there we go. Yep, I like it.